Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Jindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture, we will discuss some important problems on the topic decimal fractions. So let's start. In the first problem, what is given? F is equal to 0.84181, which is a mixed type recurring decimal. So when F is written as a fraction in lowest terms, so you have to remove the common factors. Then the denominator exceeds numerator by. So how we can solve? So first we have to express F as a fraction. So F is equal to 0.84181. In this 81 is repeating, and this can be reduced to fraction by, see, whatever is after decimal, write all the digits once. So 84181, even you have to write the repeating digits only one time. And from this we have to subtract the non-repeating digits, that is 0.841, sorry, 841 only, minus 841 divided by, we have to put in the denominator as many 9 as there are number of repeating digits. So it is 2, so double 9, okay. And as many zeros as there are number of non-repeating digits after decimal. So it is 1, 2, 3, okay. So we will get 83340 divided by 99,000. So after reducing it in lowest term, we will get 463 divided by 550. Okay. So required difference is equal to 550 minus 463, and it will be equal to 87. So our answer will be option number D. In the next problem, sum of three recurring decimals is given, and we have to find it is equal to, and sum should also be in terms of recurring decimal only. Okay, so how we can solve this? So first, to add these decimal fractions, we have to convert it into Vulgar fractions. Okay, so 8.31, only one is repeating, plus zero point 0.6 plus 0.002, only 2 is repeating. So we will separate, first we will separate the integers. So 8 plus 0.31 plus 0.6 plus 0.002, then it will be equal to 8 plus 3 1 minus 3 divided by 90. Okay, only one digit is repeating, plus 6 by 9 plus 2 by 900. Okay, and we will write integer separately, then it will be equal to 28 by 90. So we will take LCM 900. So 10 into 28, that is 280, plus 100 into 6, that is 600, plus 2. So it will be 8 plus 882 divided by 900. Now if you see the denominator, there is only one 9, so only one digit will be repeating. So if we see the option, we will get option B as the answer, but we will try to convert into that. So it can be written as 979 minus 97 divided by 900. Okay, so it can be written as 8 is your integer part, 8.979, out of that 9 is repeating. So option number D will be the answer. In the next problem, what is given? The value of a fraction is given, b by a equal to 0.25, and we have to find the value of 2a minus b divided by 2a plus b plus 2 by 9. So how we can solve that? So we have to find the value of 2a minus b divided by 2a plus b plus 2 by 9. As we don't know the value of A and B individually, but we know the ratio of B by A. So if we see and if we divide the numerator and denominator of this fraction, then we will get it in terms of B by A. So we have to divide numerator and denominator by A. So 2 minus B by A divided by 2 plus B by A plus 2 by 9, and B by A is equal to 0.25. So we will substitute that value 2 minus 0.25 divided by 2 plus 0.25 plus 2 by 9, and it is equal to 1.75 divided by 2.25 plus 2 by 9, and after removing decimal we can divide by 25, so we will get 7 by 9 plus 2 by 9, that is equal to 9 by 9, and it will be equal to 1. So our answer will be option number A. Okay. In the next problem, we have to find the value of 1.99 whole square. See, if we go on multiplying 1.99 by 1.99, it will take lots of time. So what we do, we express as this form. So 1.99 whole square can be written as 2 minus 0.01 whole square. Now this is a minus b whole square. In that form it is. So 2 square plus 0.01 whole square minus twice of 2 into 0.01. Now we can easily calculate 0.01 whole square. Okay. So it will be 4 plus 0.0001 minus 0.04. So we will get this value as 3.9601. So our answer will be option number A. In the next problem, what is given? Vishal donates thrice in 2 years. Okay, donates blood thrice in 2 years, and every time he is donating 350 ml. So we have to find how many liters he will donate in 6 years. Okay, so how we can solve? So first we will find the quantity of blood donated in 2 years. Then we can calculate for 6 years. Okay, so we will find the quantity. So quantity of blood donated in 2 years, 2 years is equal to, as he is donating 3 times in 2 years, so 3 into, and every time he is donating 350 ml. So it will be equal to 1050 ml, or in liters we can write 1.05 liters. Okay, so therefore in 6 years blood donated will be equal to 3, as in 2 years he is donating 1.05 liters. So 6 years, 6 by 2 into 1.05, and this will be equal to 3.15 liters. Okay, so our answer will be option number B. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed some important problems on decimal fractions. Okay, thank you.